book or origin. This kanji is used. Book for the meaning of book and origin. So this kanji are always used. So here this kanji has 3 sounds. One is hun, 3 sound. One is hun, 3 sound. Hun, 3 sound. Hun, 3 sound. Hun. And another one is bone, 3 sound. One is bone. Another one is pon, 3 sound. Hun, bone, bone or pon. Pon, hun, bone, pon. Here is 3 sound: hun, bone and pon. So the writing style, that's one at first, that's one second, that's one, that's one, and that's one. Again a smaller one. Again. Again. So this one. Again. The hun, bone, pon. Hun, that means book. Again origin, that means Nihon, we know. So Nihon, that means here is Japanese. That means this is our origin. Hon, bone, pon. Nihon, sometimes called Nippon. Nihon, sometimes Nippon. Both are Japanese. Nihon, Nippon. Sometimes they don't. Some bone. Pon. So bone, pon. Pon. Some bone, pon. Some bone, pon. In Japan, here is in Japan road, pon, but pronunciation lopon. This is the pronunciation. Actually in Japan lopon, but they wrote ropon. Kore wa, in one sentence, kore wa tomodachi. これは友達の本です。そう、本です。これは友達の本です。So,本, bon. Here is 3 sound.